Rasta monkey. Me heard your meat so small, me thought me mama got pregnant off an argument. Every time me look in a mirror, me pray my DNA glitch out. Me hear the girl them call it mosquito bite in a socks.
Ay, bada! Au dawi kusal bada. Ay, bo, wala pa nga naman. Oso, inyama buki, inyama etetel. Inyama etetel. Inyama etetel god. Inyama etetel. Tuka lenti. Inyama etetel. Au, ajuna. Haybo, 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 haybo. Haja, 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 haybo. Haybo. Ngadi na tarab kas. Hay. Haybo. Haybo. Haybo.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Allora, la puntura.
Bring me out. Bring me out completely.
Huh?
I beg you to bring me out.
Completely.
Yeah. Bring me out. Bring me out. For sure. Bring me out.
Yo, you gotta take
Jesus! 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 Out! Out! Out now! Jesus!
Get back the hell up, bro. Yo, I ain't playing with you, bro.
Yeah, bad man.
Chill.
Eh?
Go ahead,
Get your
bro.
ass up.
Yo, bro, I ain't in the mood today.
So
I
what
ain't
you
in the
know
mood
in
today,
I
bro.
do?
I'm just saying, bro, I don't want no problem. I don't want no smoke.
Well, me a problem with you.
I'm trying to squash whatever beef
Well, me
you
no
got.
want squashy.
Bro, you need to really back the hell up, bro. I'm trying. You're
Well,
trying
do
my
something about
patience,
it.
bro.
Your mind has to be stronger than your feelings.
I get it done, even if I'm just going through the motions. I go through the motions. I don't really want to work out. I work out.
I'm obsessed with being the best version of me, and that's something I chase every single day. It ain't about trying to prove anything to anybody else. It's about finding who I am and knowing that's enough. I've come to realize that giving your best day in and day out is all that matters. And sometimes we lose sight of that trying to impress people who ain't even on our level. So for anybody out there, remember, you're enough, man.
A wise person once told me, dreams don't work unless you do. Today I need you to embrace what comes hard. Today I need you to accept the challenge. Today I need you to fall in love with the process. And I mean all of the peaks and valleys. I mean all of the highs and lows. I mean all of the ebbs and flows.
Paco.